Okay, I think we're ready to go for a flight here.
Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything that you've seen on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I went ahead and did some calibrations and updates to the Fimi X8 SE 2020 before we took it out on a test flight today. Now, I did go ahead and align the gimbal up, and I used a level, a 12-inch level, to go ahead and do that. I also went ahead, I recalibrated the remote control, and I also went ahead and did a gimbal calibration, and then I followed that up, of course, with a compass calibration before the flight. The firmware update was for flight controls. I did this via the app, and I also sped this up. But in real time, it does not take long at all for these updates to go ahead and complete. Now, once it's completed, I go to the firmware update page to make sure that it has taken. And you can see here it has. Now we're going to go ahead and do a remote control calibration. And in order to do that, the drone needs to be in the off position. And then after you hit start, what you need to do is to take each stick and move it to all four of the corners. And once that's been completed, you'll get a check mark in each area. There's the first check mark. There's the second check mark. And then you'll get the thumb wheel check mark. Now after this, we went ahead into gimbal calibrations and we went into advanced settings, and what we're doing is we want to take care of the different axes here as far as trying to take care of the horizon tilt issue. And now what I did was I used a 12-inch level and I had the crosshairs there, and you can see I was looking to see to make sure that the gaps were equidistant on the crosshairs, and they were. Now it does take some fine-tuning with this. This is something that you just don't, it takes more than a couple of minutes because you have to try to adjust each one to see where the right positioning is, and then when you feel satisfied with that, you complete the process here. Now after that's done, you want to go ahead and do a gimbal calibration here. Now I let this play in real time. In reality, it does not take that long to do that. My recommendation is every time that you go through a firmware update that you do a gimbal calibration and a compass calibration as well. And you can see the gimbal actually moves during this operation while it's doing the calibration, and it has completed. Now I went ahead also and adjusted the gimbal pitch speed to 15%. And we went ahead outside and I did a compass calibration after this, and it's very typical of drones, the DJI products as well. You turn the drone around and then you turn it the other way, and then it's completed. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that